You have the bed assist rail from Mumicol. In this video, I'm going to go over everything that you receive with your bed rail, how to assemble it, and then how to install it on your bed so you know what to expect when you receive your product. But let's start with the assembly process and everything that you get. So everything that you get is all the pieces to it, which is not many pieces. There's only 6 pieces. You don't need any tools to assemble it. They all pop into place. You get your storage bag that attaches to it. And then you also get 2 additional things that can help it be more secure. These are optional, but you get a strap with a metal anchor on it, which most of these are plastic. I've reviewed a few of these different kind of bed rails. And this one is metal, so I would think over the long term of using this, it's going to be a little more durable if you want to use this strap. And then you also just get 2 kind of U-shaped pins that if you have a bed rail where you're not able to use this, like maybe it's a solid piece of wood, you can actually screw these in there and keep this more secure. But these are optional, so it's totally up to you. You can also just slide this under your mattress like I'll show you. All right, so let's get to the assembly process of this. Step 1 is just getting the base put together. You're gonna have these extender pieces. They just slide into place. Push your pin down, and then they'll just pop in there and be secure. So like I said, there is no tools to this. They make it really simple. And you'll see you can get this assembled in a few minutes. So now that we got this part connected, we got to put our U-shape on here and then connect our handle to it. Same thing as before. All we want to do is put our base into here, pop it into place, and we'll get the other U-shaped piece on there, and we'll be good to move on to the third step. All right, so now the third and final step is getting the handle on there. Just like before, all you have to do is slide it into place, and you are good to go. And just like that, this thing is fully assembled and ready to put onto the bed. I'm gonna get the bag on here and I'll show you how to get it onto your mattress. All right, so now we can get this assembled onto the bed. So this is adjustable how long you want your base to be. So if you do have a smaller bed, like maybe a twin size bed, you can shorten this up so it's not as long. I have a bigger size bed, so having it longer is gonna work perfectly fine. But this is how you do it. It's super easy. All you gotta do is slide it under the mattress, lift it up. I have a box spring under here, so it works perfect. So it's secure in there and we're good to go. So it really was that easy. They do give you a strap and pins if you do want to, strap it to your bed frame or pin it down or screw it down if you have a wooden type bed frame, but that's totally up to you. It works perfectly fine. Without that, I'm about 200 pounds. I'm holding all my weight on it. It's not going anywhere by just sliding it under my mattress. But overall, if you're having trouble getting out of bed, it's an awesome tool to make that a whole lot easier for you or maybe a loved one. It's affordable, so simple to put together. So I'm a happy customer. 2 thumbs up.